Hello and welcome to Sarav's classes. Today we are going to solve two questions based on quantitative aptitude. As we know that quants is one of the most important portion and it is the most high scoring portion also. People are used to get high score as there are very easy questions in it and only your basic mathematical and numerical skill is required to solve these questions. Okay, so let's start with the first one. A shopkeeper offered a discount of 9% for an article, but he marked it at 25% higher than the cost price. So we need to find his profit percentage. So at first, we sort out the data given by the question. The discount percentage is, which is offered by the shopkeeper, is 9%, and the marked price is higher, 25% higher than the cost price. So first of all, we assume that cost price is X rupees, therefore the marked price is X plus X into 25 divided by 100, that means X into 125 divided by 100. Now we have our marked price, we have our cost price, and we have our discount. So we need to find the profit. Now profit is nothing but, here marked price is the selling price. Sorry, marked price is not a selling price. Here selling price is marked price minus marked price into 9%, because the shopkeeper gives 9% discount on the marked price. So we have 25, 24, 5. Therefore 5x divided by 4, 1 minus 9 divided by 100. So 5x divided by 4 into 91 divided by 100, which results in 91x divided by 80. So this is the value of selling price. So the profit is selling price minus cost price. Hence 91 minus 80 divided by 80, which results in 111 divided by 80. So the profit percentage is 11 into 80 into 100, which results in 55 divided by 4, that means 13.75%. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, now let's see the next question. Question number 58. Here given that 1/3 of A is equals to 75% of B is equals to 0.6 of C. 1/3 of A is equals to 75% of B is equals to 0.6 of C. Now we need to find A is to B is to C. Now 1/3 of A can be written as 1/3 into A, because of means into, 75% means 3/4 of B, and 0.6 means 6 by 10, that means 3 by 5 into 6. Okay, So we get A by 3 into 3B by 4 equals to 3C by 5. Now let this is equals to K. Therefore we get A is equals to 3K, B is equals to 4K by 3, and C is equals to 5K divided by 3. Therefore A is to B is to C can be written as 3K is to 4K by 3 is to 5K by 3, or we can write 3 is to 4 by 3 is to 5 by 3. Now just multiply 3 with each of this number. Therefore we get 9 is to 4 is to 5. So our required ratio is 9 is to 4 is to 5. Therefore option D is the correct answer. So we have successfully solved 2 questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quants, then feel free to contact us. These are the contact details: 9836793076 or 9874822756. You can drop a message or you can WhatsApp us in these numbers. Or for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.shorcutsclasses.com. Thank you very much.